How to fix Webtoon not working easily and fast. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix it easily and fast. So all what you want to do actually is so simple. Go to the settings, go to the apps. Now this is the apps manager page. Scroll until you find Webtoon, click on it and force stop the app and then try to open it. If it's still not working, then go to the Play Store, and if you are using iPhone, go to the App Store, search for Webtoon and click on update. That's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.